Now, in this video, we will going to discuss about the Fibonacci numbers or a series such that each number is the sum of the previous two numbers except first and second number. The Fibonacci numbers are 0, 1, so except first and second number. So 0 plus 1 becomes 1, 1 plus 1 becomes 2, 2 plus 1 becomes 3, 3 plus 2 becomes 5, 5 plus 3 becomes 8, 8 plus 5 becomes 13, and so on. So to print these Fibonacci numbers, so include stdio dot h and include conio dot h. The Fibonacci int a open a matrix, that is a array, a single dimensional array int a. Then declare the I as an integer value, initialize the value of a0 as 0 and a1 as 1, and for I is equal to 0, I is less than n and I plus plus, then open the loop. A of I will be equal to a of I minus 1 plus a of I minus 2, and close it. Then you just come out of this, then you write the main program. So main CLR SCR int n comma I a of 100. So here of course a of 10, we're going to take it as a of 10, and then printf enter the value of n and scanf read those element, and Fibonacci a of comma n, because we are calling that function. Printf the Fibonacci numbers are for I is equal to 0, I is less than n and I plus plus, printf percentage d backslash t and a of I and the getch function. So here the output value is enter the value of n as 5. So what happens? The Fibonacci numbers are 0 plus 0 and 1, and 1 plus 0 becomes 1, 1 plus 1 becomes 2, 2 plus 1 becomes 3, and so on. So how to do that? So first we will going to come to this. So enter the value of n. I will going to enter the value of n as 5, read that number. So we will going to call that function here. So once you call this function a of n, so what it does, it goes to this. So initialize the value of a0 as 0 and a of 1 as 1. So once you have a of 0, which is then it starts from 2 now. So here it should be 2, I is equal to 2, is 2 is less than 5, yes, then I plus plus, open the loop. So what is a of 2? A of 2 is equal to a of 2 minus 1, that becomes 1, plus a of 2 minus 2 becomes 0. So that means a1 plus a0. What is a1 plus a0? So this is a0, this is a1. So this becomes 1. Again, a of I will be equal to 1. Then 2 plus 1 becomes 3. Is 3 is less than 5? Yes. Then a of 3 will be equal to a of 3 minus 1 becomes a2 plus a of 3 minus 2 becomes a1. So a of 3 is 2 plus a1, 3 minus 1 becomes 2, 3 plus 3 and 2, that becomes 1 plus 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3 you are going to get. Then is 3. Then once you get the increment, 3 plus 1 becomes 4, is 4 is less than 5, yes, a4 value, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. A4 value is this, so A4 will be equal to A3 plus A2, A3 plus A2. So 0, 1, 2, A3, that is 2 plus 1, it becomes 3. So then once 4 plus 1 becomes 5, is 5 is less than 5, then it will comes out of the loop, and then comes to the printf. For I is equal to 0, prints the value of a0, and 0 plus 1 becomes 2, 0 plus 1 becomes 1, 1 is less than 5, yes, print that value of a1. Then 2 plus 1, 1 plus 1 becomes 2, is 2 is less than 5, and print the value of a2. Then again 2 plus 1 becomes 3, is 3 is less than 5, yes, then prints the value of a3, and 3 plus 1 becomes 4, is 4 is less than 5, and they print the value of a4, and then is 5 is less than 5, no, it will comes out of the loop and gets the character function. So this is how the program is executed in C. Now to same thing to experiment this, so we will going to take up the how to write this program in C. So first we will going to enter into Turbo C. So here I'll go for a new one. So here we will say include stdio.h, include conio.h, then Fibonacci int a, then int n, open the loop, initialize int I is equal I value as an integer value, initialize the value of a0 equals 0 and the value of a1 except the first and zeros and first one. So we will going to enter that. Then we will going to have for I is equal to 2, then I is less than n, I is less than n, I plus plus, enter into the loop. So here a of I will be equal to a of I minus 1, then a of I plus I minus 2 plus a of I minus 2. Then comes out to this, then return the value of a, and close it. Then we are going to go for the main function, then open the loop, then go to CLR SCR, then here int declare n comma I comma a100. I'm entering 100 elements, printf, enter the value of n, enter the value of n, then scanf %d and n, then Fibonacci okay a comma n, going to call that function, then it will going to execute that function. Then finally it comes to the printf, then the Fibonacci numbers are, then for I equals 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, then entering into loop, printf %d \t of I \t and a of I, yes. Then you'll come out of this, then get ch function, then close it, then go to run this program. So here the statement missing for I is equal to 2, one statement is missing there, then run, cannot convert int into a. So here we are going to delete this, then go to run this program. So here the value of n is 5. So you are going to get these values as 0 and 1. So here we are not entering any value. Why? Because once we start initialize this value a0 and a1, a0 is 0 and a1 as 1, then it will start adding this. Suppose when it starts from a2, is 2 is less than 5, yes, so 2 minus 1 becomes 1 and 2 minus 2 becomes 0. So a1 plus a0, that is 1 plus 1 becomes 2, 1 plus 0 becomes 2, 1 plus 0 becomes 1. That means a value of a2 will be equal to 1. Then is 2 plus 1 becomes 3, is 3 is less than 5, yes. So what will going to be the value of a3 now? a3 will be equal to a3 minus 1, that is a2 plus a1. What is a2? 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So then is 3 plus 1 becomes 4, is 4 is less than 5, a3 plus a2, a3 value is 2 and a2 value is 1. So a3, 2 plus 1 becomes 3. Then once that is the value of a4, is 4 is incremented with one more, a5 is less than 5, no, it will come out of the log. So this is how the program will going to be executed. So that is the reason why we are not giving any value there. So once you just if I say about 10 items has to be entered, so we can see here first one is 0, so a0 is 0 and a1 is 1. So what is the value of a2? a2 is a0 plus a1, so 0 plus 1 becomes 1. Then a3 value is a3 value is a2 and a1, 1 plus 1 becomes 2. a4, 3 and 2, 2 plus 1 becomes 3, A4, A5, A4 plus A3, 5, so A6, so like this, 5 plus 3 becomes 8, 8 plus 5 becomes 13, 13 plus 8 becomes 21, 21 plus 13 becomes 34. So this is how the Fibonacci series will going to work in the C program. So in the next video, we will going to talk about the largest and return the function that returns the position of the largest item. Thank you.